first go.
Oh. We got it! Look, his head's in the bag.
It's a major achievement, and it means Tori's improved design has now met all 3 benchmarks for the flying guillotine. That gory success could mean only one thing. There really could be something to this myth.
You guys, that was amazing.
I know, not only did we create a real flying guillotine from scratch, but we achieved all the criteria for the myth.
Yeah, I mean, we landed it on the head, decapitate the guy, and retrieve the head in the net.
Yeah, we proved it on a basic level against a static enemy, but I don't think anybody's going to be holding still in a real-life combat situation.
What do you have in mind?
A few ideas.
Oh, this should be interesting.
Coming up in Cooking with C4.
Kind of makes you shaky when you're nervous.
And Tori's flying guillotine gets put to the ultimate test.
There's a guy behind you!
So far, Impact has failed to get burning C4 to explode. But is that all about to change?
When we dropped an anvil on the C4, nothing happened. Blunt force doesn't work. The only other thing that I can think of that is a really hard, fast impact on something, short of another explosive, is a bullet. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to fire a speeding bullet into burning C4.
High impact be enough to cause an explosion.
The first bullet we'll be firing with is your basic .308 caliber sniper round, 7.62 NATO, and it flies through the air at 2,600 feet per second.
That bullet at that speed will give a staggering force on a burning C4 of about 25,000 pounds.
Oh, she's going pretty good.
All right, I am going to fire. This is shooting a regular bullet at a flaming ball of C4.
No, I think you missed.
I missed. All right, let's try that again.
And with a few words of encouragement from the peanut gallery,
You're not nervous about making the shot, are you? Like you might miss, huh?
No.
Not at all?
No.
That makes you shaky when you're nervous.
All right, I think I'm ready to go. Safety's off.
Don't miss.
I'm not going to miss. Shooting.
A flaming ball of C4 with a regular old bullet.
Damn it, it looks like I missed it.
so with the score at C4-2, Adam zip and Jamie 2 gun shy to take a shot, the guys turn to a pro.
I'm an okay shot. Not a great shot, I'm okay. I missed my first shot, nicked the second. What we're about to do is hand over responsibility for the shooting in this story to Sergeant Dan Powell, whose gun this is. Hopefully he'll make the shots much better than we could.
Sergeant Deadshot Dan nails the target on his first shot. The burning C4 bounces, but a big boom there ain't.
Well, there you have it. A normal bullet did not cause burning C4 to explode.
The next bullet we'll be firing with is this, a tracer round. It's got a bit of phosphorus in its base that allows the shooter to see the path.